If you are taking photos and video on iPhone, but not getting good results and the quality of pictures and videos are not up to the mark, then you have to do these things. The first thing which you have to do in your iPhone is turning on Pro RAW and Resolution Control. To turn this option on, you have to go to Settings, then Camera, and then Formats. This will help in using full potential of camera. Moving towards second tip, choose Warm in photographic styles, which will make your pictures more colorful and eye-catching. For this, you have to open Settings, then Camera, and then Photographic Styles. The third tip is about using cheap camera lens. Your first priority should be of not using the lens, but if you want to protect your camera lens from any damage, then use high-quality lens, which will not reduce the quality of pictures and videos while use. Fourth tip is to turn on this setting. Turn on Grid for better adjustments, Level for more leveled photography, and Mirror front camera for not turning your picture opposite. So these settings help in improving your camera use of iPhone. The last tip is to use 24 megapixel option for photos to get best quality images. So these are the settings which help in improving photography and videography in iPhone. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.